my name is Meenal Pathak and I'm your dance fitness coach today. So get ready to burn off all those calories and have lots of fun. Sing and dance along with me as we move to the music. The first rhythm we're gonna start with is salsa. I know a lot of people are scared of salsa, that they don't understand salsa and it's very difficult to dance in salsa. But I tell you, it is the most simplest of the rhythm and I'll show you how. It is all about getting back to the center. So you lift your leg, move it out, bring it back, move it out, bring it back, forward, center, back, center. Now let's do it with a little bit of oomph. So you go out and center, go forward, center, back, center. Faster, out, center, side, center, forward, center, go back and center. Yeah, that's it. That's your salsa. Very basic, absolutely beginner level. So you can start with me from here and we're gonna dance it out.